What is Exodus Capital's monthly streaming service? Exodus Capital is a company that provides individuals all the tools, resources, and guidance they need to secure a sound financial future. With a team composed of successful investors and entrepreneurs, we want to extend our reach, not just to clients near us, but to clients all over the world that need us. That's why we at Exodus Capital offer a monthly streaming service to interested individuals that currently contain over 50 high-definition, high-quality financial education videos that can help anyone in any situation or status. Our library of excellent financial videos is constantly expanding, making any time the best time to jump in our monthly streaming service. With videos such as How Can You Profit from a Bear Market? And 3 hot tips for beginners who are new to investing. You are bound to find an information-packed video perfectly suited to your wants and needs.